Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh Parochi. I'm a self-taught UIUX designer with bachelor's degree in computer application. I learned UX design from Google UX Design Professional course. I have completed 3 internships. I have also freelanced for a client from the USA. With 1.5 years of experience, I have worked on a variety of projects including mobile application, websites, SaaS products and dashboards. I'm proficient in using Figma. I enjoy solving problems, creating unique flows, and I also like to transform idea into intuitive design interfaces. I never get a mentorship. I never get a chance to work with any senior talented designer because in my previous internships, I was the only person responsible for the whole design process. So I learned everything from by myself. So that's why I'm willing to learn and I'm eager to contribute my skill and knowledge to your team. So let's jump to the design. So these are the interactive components that I will be using in my design. These are the phone version and this is the web version. So I'm calling it picture perfect because it sounds good to me. So this is the loading screen for the web and this is the main page. I wanted to design clean, modern and minimalistic design. So here we have our product title, then we have a short description of our product, like what it's offering to our user, and why it is important for our user and what our user will find on this platform. As I wanted to design clean and minimalistic design, so instead of using a card for the images and same size of block for the images, I'm using the different size of images, but in a grid kind of layout, and it looks really attractive. Also, if you notice that I'm not using much color here, we have only black, gray, and white color. So the reason behind this is the images containing a lot of color themselves. So if we use more color, it will look horrible, or the UI will look cluttered, and it will also distract our user. So I'm not using much colors, and I'm also using a lot of white space. So the reason behind this is I want to ensure that the user's focus remain on the image content. Here we don't have user information and like counts, but when you will hover over any image, you will see the user information and like counts. Here I want to focus more on the user information and like counts. That's why I created a linear gradient over the image so that we can focus on the user information and like counts. And when we click on the image, we will have a pop-up which will show the enlarged size of the same image. And here we have all the information at one place because I want users to get all the information, important information and the important actions at the one place, so that user don't have to scroll up and down and look here and there for the important information and CTA. So here we have user information up to the date, like views, downloads, and then we have important element which is our CTA button, and it's standing out in our design so that users know that it will download the image. And then we have a social media link here. So when you click on any of this link, it will take you to the social media account. So you don't have to type username or copy the username and then paste to the social media. And this is the similar image section, and it is very important section because it increases the user engagement on our product. So what is showing is basically the similar images related to this image. So it will increase the user engagement as we are offering our users to explore more images that he likes. And when we click on this close icon, it will take you back, and we can also like the images. And this is the search bar. When you click on the search bar, the border became darker or highlighted and the background becomes the light. This indicates our user that this search bar is now in active mode, and when you type anything and hit enter, it will show you the search result. Let's say we type search, we type cars, and then we have a result like this. Let's try again. Yeah, so it will show you the result, and this is the dark mode toggle. So when you click on this, it will turn on the dark mode like this. And in the dark mode, when you click on image, we will have a pop-up like this. Here I'm not using pure white on the black because it will strain your eyes. So I'm using the darker shade of the white, which will go on black. Here our CTA is still standing out in the dark mode, and this is the similar image section. When you click it, it will take you to the back to the home page. So this was the web design. Let me show you the phone version. So this is the loading screen on phone, and this is the main page. Of course, I have decreased the size of the font here. and this is the search bar working same as the web. But in phone we cannot hover over any image, so I have placed the user information and like count at the bottom of the image, and this place is perfect for it because it does not block any image content. And also I have provided the divider so that it work as a separation between the two images. uh, and when you click on image, it will open the pop-up like this, and you can see I have placed all the important information very well, all the important element at the top and less important element at the bottom. Then we have similar image section here. Let's close it. And I did not design the toggle button for the phone version to switch to dark mode, but it should be here in the hamburger menu. When you click it here, it will open the drop down, and then we will have a switch toggle here. We can switch from the dark mode to light mode. Let me show you the dark mode for the phone. This is the loading screen for the dark mode, and this is the dark mode design. So when you click on it, it will show you the image like the pop-up like this. When you close, it will take you back. So this was my design. So I hope you like my design, and I hope I will see you in the interview. So thank you for having me.